In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could change the weather and time here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now let me slow down a little bit so I'm not speeding through here right now, especially because it looks like there's a turn coming up over there. But essentially, you can't just freely change your weather or time in normal free roam because the main world uses a live server cycle. Instead, what you need to do is use the event lab. So go ahead and open up the game menu, and it's going to pop up with a page. It looks like this. You need to go specifically to the event lab tab. So go ahead and scroll through here. You're going to see a bunch of different options on here. If you go to Creative Hub, you're going to see Event Lab right on here. Go ahead and select that. Then it's going to take you to a page that looks like this where you need to go ahead and select Create. And then you want to create a new route. So go ahead and open up the Route tab, hit Create New. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks something like this. It'll kind of walk you through a tutorial when you first get in here. And somehow I'm in between the little dividers, so that doesn't make a lot of sense. Now, once you hit create new, it's going to pop up with all your cars. Go ahead and choose whatever car you want, right? And then essentially what you need to do is just drive like a short distance and then place like the finish line. And you can place ramps, you can do all this cool stuff on here, but that's really not the entire point. Really, the entire point is to just set a starting position, an ending position, and then what you can do is go into the custom event section and change the weather and the time of day right here as well. So go ahead and customize these, put it as whatever you want. Obviously, we're going to keep it in maybe sunset, right? And then it'll go ahead and adjust it from here. That's going to be the full process, though. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.